Welcome to BizAIO. In this video, to get started, head over to the sales section on the sidebar and click on leads. This takes you to the leads dashboard, where all your prospects and sales activities are managed. Here you can switch views using these three tabs to display only active, future, or junk leads, depending on your workflow. Next, select the pipeline where you can define the lead by its stage. Use the search bar at the top to instantly locate any lead by name, email, or phone number. You can find the lead by selecting the lead owner. Use the powerful filters panel to sort your leads by date range, city, lead source, stage, or even agent. This helps you quickly focus on specific segments or team pipelines. To add a new lead, click on Add Lead. Fill in the lead name, contact details, and assign the lead to a pipeline and stage. Assign the lead to a team member or sales agent using the lead owner drop-down. You can schedule a next follow-up date and specify the lead source. You can also save with Daily Diary here. Fill the other details also, like company name, contact number, city, zip code, and address. Once everything is filled out, click Save. The lead will now appear in the main table, where you can monitor its status and schedule future updates. You can add a note from here by entering a note title and selecting the note type, public or private, then save it with the Daily Diary. Then, select the Action button. From here, you can view, edit, add a follow-up, or delete the lead. After that, select the lead form, where you can edit its details, including fields and status, then save the updated information. Now you can import file from here and make sure the date format should be in YMD, example the 21st of April 2022, format. File must be a file of type XLS, XLSX, CSV. Choose a file. File contains headings row and upload it. Here you can export file in PDF and Excel file. And that's how you manage your sales leads in BizAIO. From tracking prospects to managing follow-ups, everything stays organized and actionable. Explore more tutorials to master every part of your sales workflow. To get started, head to the Settings menu and click on the Lead setting. To add a new lead source, click on Add New Source, fill in the lead source name, and then click Save to complete the process. From the Action button, you can choose to edit or delete an existing lead source. Next, select Lead Pipeline from the top row. To add a new pipeline, click on Add New Pipeline, enter the pipeline name, choose the label color, and click Save to create it. To define a stage, click on Add Stage, then fill in the required details including the pipeline selection, stage name, stage action, and label color. Once completed, click Save to create the new stage. Here click on stage where you can set a stage as default and use the action button to edit or delete the stage. Next, select Deal Pipeline from the top row. To add a new pipeline, click on Add New Pipeline, enter the pipeline name, choose the label color, and click Save to create it. To define a stage, click on Add Stage, then fill in the required details including the pipeline selection, stage name, stage action, and label color. Once completed, click Save to create the new stage. From the Action button, you can choose to edit or delete an existing stage. Next, select Agent from the top row, then click on Add New Agent. Choose the agent and their category, then click Save to add the agent. You can change the agent status between enabled or disabled, or use the Action button to delete the agent if needed. Next, select Category from the top row, click on Add New Category, enter the category name, and click Save to create it. From the Action button, you can choose to edit or delete an existing category. Next, select Category Map from the top row. Choose the product category or product subcategory, then click Save to complete the mapping. Finally, select the round robin method. To activate it, simply toggle the switch at the top. Once enabled, all incoming leads will be automatically assigned using round robin logic. And that's it, you've successfully configured the lead settings in BizAIO.